an overflow of blessings to everyone for our daily verse prayer now at Exodus chapter 23 and verse 1 up to verse 3. Don't spread harmful rumors or help a criminal by giving false evidence. Always tell the truth in court, even if everyone else is dishonest and stand in the way of justice. And don't favor the poor simply because they are poor. So this passage is so timely, isn't it? Since this passage talks about how to be a witness in court. Because in reality, a star witness or a witness can manipulate the truth. And he or she can say something that is contrary to the truth. And as a witness, that witness can lie and do a cover up just to protect the mastermind. So what they will do is that they will pinpoint someone else as their scapegoat. And unfortunately, these witnesses is nowadays we can consider them as sacrificial bound, and they can manipulate the trial by telling a lie, and they can mislead the trial just to protect their boss, especially if their boss is the mastermind. So they can mislead the people, but thank God, God is so good, because after all, we could lie in front of them, but in front of God, no, you can't. So nothing to worry, truth shall prevail, right? And if that witness intentionally lie just to mislead the investigation of a court, then it's time for divine intervention. After all, remember, our God is a just God and He is a judge.